Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Oculus Charm in Fish Eats. So the Oculus Charm has vanilla larvae in the lava basins, and it is a total game changer for hunting those one in a million secret spawns. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can get it. So the Oculus Charms you can get it by crafting it and inside the lava basin, but you need to first have all the materials. So there are four materials needed to create the Oculus Charms: the cave crystal that can be found in the crystal depth, the amber cracks, fire fruit, and also the veil shard. All of these can be fished inside the lava basins. So if you have all of these materials, you can just click on buy, and here click on start crafting. As you guys can see, once you create it, you can have 200 uses, and the level is 100. The bonus size is 1.1. The real speed also 1.1. The luck 5%, and also it has a mutation chance. So you can just click on start crafting, click on confirm. And after that, you got the Oculus Charms. You can find it in your inventory. Click on Charms, and this is it. If you want to use it, you can just click on it in your inventory. And you can also unequip it if you don't want to use it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.